Have you heard of the miracle of Hangang? Restoring a war-torn nation to Korea, becoming one of the leading world economy nations, people call it the miracle of Hangang. Korea is also called the country of K-pop, BTS, the country of Parasite, one of the leading countries of the world's culture. SIGNIS Korea has been in charge of taking care of the ever-changing media of Korea, and by doing so, planting God's peace in the world. SIGNIS Korea represents Korea's Catholic media and its belief in violence-free, peace-oriented martyrdom roots. Over 100 years of persecutions and blood-stained scenes, these people only believed in proving their belief and faith and choosing God. At last, they finally received the freedom of religion through peace. The Korean Catholic Church built a foundation off of nothing. Also, the Korean Catholic Church has done a lot for bringing peace and freedom to Korea. 237 years of the Korean Catholic Church, a history of martyrdom and devotion. Now, SIGNIS Korea will create a new history